LEX Motorsports 3rd generation front bumper is an awesome option if you're looking to get one of the strongest and lightest replacement bumpers for your 2010 to 14 SVT Raptor. This is one of the most aggressive looking bull bar bumper combos we currently sell. This heavy duty guards bumper's skid plate and bars will provide plenty of abuse during the daily commute or off-roading. The mesh built into the skid gate will provide adequate ventilation for the radiator and engine. The bumper also includes convenient mounting points for up to a 40-inch light bar and accessories. I'm going to be giving this a bolt-on bumper a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and expect the install to take about 3 hours until you're done. This bumper features more of an open design which offers a minimal look as well as for better airflow and low weight. The overall design gives it more of a pre-runner or trophy truck-like look once installed. The bumper uses a tubular steel and precision cut plates to keep it relatively light but strong where it's needed. With a low profile bull bar included into the high slant angle of the undercarriage protection this provides, you should be able to tackle bigger obstacles on the trail work site without damaging your front end at all. I like that this bumper contours to your truck's body. It's not as bulky or blocky as some of the other more expensive options you see. The slight curvature of the bumper not only looks good, but it actually will help push away brushes and debris to the sides of your truck. The bumper is designed to take a hit and is texturized black powder coat finish that not only looks great, but provides protection for the steel underneath. Powder coating is a baked on instead of just a painted on process that can take plenty of abuse. Some of the less expensive bumpers and bull bars out on the site might be simply painted black, and those finishes may chip or crack over time. The heavy duty full guard bumper comes in at just under $1,300, which is about average price for a protection bumper on a Raptor. I think it's a great price for the versatile design that changes up the front look of your truck and adds a ton of protection on and off-road, as well as the mounting points for different lights or a light bar. This is a bolt-on design and there's no drilling or cutting to your truck required. All the hardware is included to attach to your OE bolt holes. Everything is included was made of stainless steel to ensure corrosion resistance. Now, switching gears to the install. I gave this 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and expect it to take about 3 hours for completion. All right, for removal of the bumper, we're going to be needing a simple ratchet and socket set, and our first step is going to be to pop the hood to gain access to a few bolts. So now with your hood open, we have access to the bolts. On a stock truck, you would have a shroud here that you would just need to use like an upholstery tool to pull out, but since our truck has been worked on, we don't have one right now. Next, we're just going to need an 8mm socket to remove these bolts right here. Your next step is going to be to remove your skid plate. It's held on with stock 15mm bolts. So now we have our last 2 15mm bolts. Just be careful, when you're taking the last one out, this will drop down. It's not too heavy, so you will be able to support it. Just be careful. So now the next step is going to be to remove the last 4 bolts that are holding the bumper on. They're going to be 21mm, and there's 2 located here and here. Before removing the bumper from the frame, you're just going to need a 10mm socket to remove the bolt for the hood latch. So now everything's removed, you're just going to reach in and grab the bumper and remove it off the frame. Now for the install of the bumper, we're going to utilize the 4 included bolts, and we're going to bolt 2 in on the frame here, 2 in on the frame here, and then we're going to use 2 of the stock bolts for the skid plate here and here. And then you're going to need a friend to lift the bumper up to bolt it onto the truck. So now, with our bumper loosely in place, we're just going to bolt in the skid plate. Now, with your bumper fully secured, it's time to reattach the bracket for our hood latch. We're going to use our 8mm bolts that we took off. Our bracket's in place. Now we're going to secure the hood latch, and we're going to use the 10mm bolt. With your hood latch, that's going to wrap up the install on LEX Motorsports Gen 3 bumper. You can check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.